What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trey back for another video. I know it's been a while since I've been back on the channel and everything. I just been having a few financial and car problems, but I also did a few things before you guys see the car now. So let me give you a few let me give you a background brief on it. Before you guys see the car, it was slammed as fuck. I could post a picture up. Control arms, which I'm missing, have to fix, as well as my rack and pinion and one of my axles went out. So a few of those things later on in the channel you guys will see me replacing out and see upcoming videos of, as well as adding a new add a few parts to the car as well, interior and exterior. So let me show you guys the car and show y'all what we have. Alright guys, here's the car. Right now I do have the front bumper off due to the fact of this fender right here being totaled. So once I replace this fender, I can put the bumper back on. That ended up happening because me not paying attention and hitting a small pole. So lesson learned on that one. Side skirt, like I said, I was really low before. So one night when I was driving, I ended up flipping a curb a little bit, and that shit just went and gone. It went bye bye. So I'm looking to get the A-spec side skirt for this side and also the other side. I do like it. It looks a lot better. It's one OPs versus, if you didn't know, the Type S is stock model. Where's that truck go? The stock S the Type S stock side skirt is two pieces. So one side broke and the other side broke. So I was like, one side broke because the other side. I couldn't even find the other side. Now I'm fucking out. But another reason I decided to go, well, at least raise my car, is the fact tires, guys. Tires are very expensive. And since I do not have any sponsorship for tires, I have to come out of my pocket for it. And being this low and spending that much money on tires, not worth it to me. So I'm gonna raise it up just a little bit. Rear bumper, I want to get a new one from the junkyard or get it resprayed. See a little damage right there. Tail lights, I don't really mind, honestly, due to the fact that I do have new ones in the house. If this was ever focus. Manual mode. Autofocus never likes to work sometimes. There we go. But there's the bumper. With hair, I end up having a blowout. So I end up eating the metal right here. Well, the body of the car. So I spoke to one of my friends. He said just put lilac thinner and I can use like a spray can if I want, and that'll just do it perfect. So I'm like, alright. I do want to raise the rear up like at least an inch or an inch and a half due to the fact that it comes crazy. This side's a lot higher, this side's a lot lower, okay? So raise up like an inch and a half. I might lower the front. Not by much, but at least like a decent amount, like a little bit more. There's got a little bit more space that you guys can tell there. So just lower it out so it evens out the car incompletely. I say incompletely. But that's really it. So today, let me see why we're here. Today we're here due to the fact I need brakes. So during this weekday after work, this brake line here that goes directly to your caliper to the brake hose on the driver's side, just I don't know how, but snapped off, and literally I had no brakes. So I just ended up leaking fluid at the light, and I was like, what the fuck? I was ready to go, pressed my brake. It was like a motherfucking sponge. Oops, see the language. It was like a sponge. So today we'll be jacking up the car, getting the. Okay, you guys. First thing you guys want to do is get your wheels off. In this case, my wheels are 19. It's on there. There you go, jack. try somewhere else. Ah. For some of you who are curious where I'm jacking up at right there, and then these, I can't see if you guys can tell. I focus that a little bit. Try to get it. Alright, well I say I'm tired, you guys will be able to see, but it's literally right there on the control arm, underneath the control arm actually, the lower one. So. Me personally, I like to have something underneath the car while I work on it. The tire might not fit as of right now. Try one more. Get this shit out. Okay, you guys, so this is where I put the jack. I was trying to show you guys earlier, if I can't really see. So it's right underneath the control arm. It's locked up and everything, all good. But this is the line right here. This one, you can tell, not loosen it, but it is bolted on. There's a bolt, I just realized there's a bolt right here. It needs to be placed. Y'all can see. So I got that bolt put in. But this is literally it. So I literally don't understand. It broke right here. It was from right here. Like it was leaking from on top, but from the caliper itself it wasn't leaking, which is good. But how the fuck and why the fuck did this come off if this is bolted, like bolted. But anyways, let's get it out, swap it out, and do these brakes as well. We're done. Here we go. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this is the part right here. That's the old one. You see how it broke when I put it out. This is the nut, flange, right there. This is the new one right here. And anyone's curious what part number this is from Honda, so it is right here. So let's get this thing installed, you guys. Get these brakes bled and get this car back on the road. Alright guys, this is this new one back in. I feel like some of you are going to say some shit in the comments how I'm not going to grease my parts. Just for a brake line, you guys. Even though that also might sound a lot worse than I say it out loud. But now you guys are here, let me get y'all talking. Was there anything you guys want to see me do to the car, or like something different you guys never seen before? Like haven't done to TO. Like I know not a lot of people turbo them. I've been looking into that.
Sorry about the windy noise, you guys. It was a windy day that day.
I was by the piping, but it's not really a problem. But you guys let me know. You guys want to see this car's turbo boosted? I know, like I said, a lot of people supercharge this car. That's the only really kit we have now for it. And you guys want to see a boosted TL? You never know. Let me know. One thing you also got to do is tighten these lines right here. Obviously the ones I just replaced. Manual mode. Focus out for me. You see? Top one right there. Down. Bottom right here. Directly into the caliper. Now I'm gonna get some brake fluid. I'm gonna get an open wrench 10. Tighten both these up. Make sure they're tightened. Bleed the brakes right afterwards, and from there we will see some clips and do a little test drive around the road. Alright guys, got my open end 10. See? Do not over tighten them. These are your brakes. You don't want to strip them. Right like that. Just once you feel like it's enough, you'll trust me, you'll know. From that point on. One. Got it. So there you go, you guys. Parts completely in, torque down, per se. Not really per se, but like torque down in my sense. And all done. Now all done. Next thing, my battery's dying on the camera, you guys. Might as well go swap my battery real quick. Thing we do. Pop that hood. I'm gonna have to bleed the brakes by myself due to the fact I don't have anyone to help me. Right here you have your brake fluid. You pour some brake fluid in there. Once you pour the brake fluid in there, you'll have someone or even have the bleeder open. The bleeder is right here. I don't know if you see. This right here is the bleeder for the brakes. Turn it left, you open it out. Oh, technically I have 4 pistons, so technically I have 2. I'm just not realizing this. Sorry you guys. I have 1 right here. Right here, we guys open the hood. You will have your master cylinder right here for your brakes. As you pour some brake fluid inside of your master cylinder, make sure that right here, I have a Type S, so I have 2. I don't know if a stock TL has 1 or 2. I believe it has 1 like most cars. See right here, I'll open up this level right here. Open up this breather right here as well. 2 top ones. These be 2 10s. Just open them up. Press your brakes about 8 times. Hold it. See if any fluid comes out. Any fluid doesn't come out. Close it again. Pump it up again. Do it about 5-8 times. 5 to 8 times. Usually you do 8, as most people do. And you hold. So when fluid comes out, once no fluid comes out, you close it up. And then you keep it going to the back. Usually what most people say, you start from the passenger rear and then you work where you're closest to the brake fluid manager. I can't talk. To your master cylinder for your brakes. Or some people like to just work from the closest Well, technically go from here to there to there. Me personally, I'm gonna go from rare to there to here to there. But I do believe that the rear should be fine. I do still want to bleed the brakes, even though, like I said, all this had no brake fluid. So I don't know if any air got caught into it or just all the brake fluid just leaked out due to the fact, and don't want to risk it. Brakes are good.
She better know say after a certain time don't contact me,
Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hope to see you guys for the next one. Peace.